say you have the funny face listed on the wall. And what we need to do, we will give you several sentences. You need to find out the reason and try to answer is yes or no. If you like more close to the yes, you need to move towards to the yes mode, okay? So let's do the first one. The energy pyramid can sometimes be
Inverted. So before we continue, can anyone explain the meaning of inverted? Benji.
That's right.
Yep. Good. Okay. So, yes or no?
Maybe you're not sure. You can like stand.
I'm sure. Stand in the middle. Yep.
You mean like totally inverted or?
It didn't say totally inverted.
Oh, well.
It can be the other way around, like not from the start.
Okay, we have got some 100% yes.
So we have 5 people in the middle. 4. 4. Okay. So for this one, it's no. No one's answered the right answer. As Aaron explained to us before, because the energy flow starting from the plants, usually plants observe the most energy. That's why it becomes a pyramid shape. If we just inverted it becomes upside down. The bottom should be the narrow one. It couldn't be the plants always have the less energy. It always has the most because it need to get the energy from the sun. That's it.
So this pyramid is, the hierarchy of this pyramid comes from the amount of energy
Yeah,
the
that's
organism
right.
has not in terms of like what can consume what. Because I think maybe like the reason why we went to yes is because a predator dies and starts to decompose and the nutrients go to the soil, go to the grass, and the kind of it's like the circle of life, But it's not to do with that. It's to do with energy.
Energy, yeah,
Gotcha.
that's right.
All right.
Good. No questions? No more questions? Okay, next one. So you think it's yes or no?
Do you remember pyramid of number? You can check your glossary list.
Yeah.
It means the number of organisms in different level.
Do the producers always have the most individuals?
So which side is for?
Oh,
This is yes.
is yes. At least
Yes.
say the face.
That one is
That one is no.
okay. So we've got 2 yes, 2 unsure, 2 no.
Yeah.
Why is
Just get over it.
Okay, for this one, are you? So it's no, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So for this one is no. Congratulations to you guys. This is no. As you can see the example here, we only have 1 tree, but we have much more numbers of insects and decomposers as well. Because 1 tree can feed up or support other living things like the birds or insects. Actually, the birds should be here.
Yeah, there's a small mistake on the picture.
Yeah.
Just ignore it. So the parasites should be here, then herbivores should be here because the birds eat the insects, then the decomposers.
Yes, that's just the one example. Like starting from the bottom, it's always a manual one. Any questions for this one?
I don't get it. But then just now you mentioned like normally the producers will be more, right? Like plants will be more.
Yeah.
And then the insect will be less. And then frog will be the less. And then snake will be the least.
But this is only number because there's 1 tree feeds several like pests, insects. Remember that one is energy. The plants always have the most energy because that one is the most part.
Yeah, pyramid of number, we count the numbers of this organism.
Yeah.
So tree is only one tree.
Because
We
the
don't.
keyword is number, that one is energy.
Okay.
Yeah.
So one tree can actually feed more
Yeah.
organisms. Okay. Okay.
The third one, energy flow in an ecosystem moves in a circle.
One more thing, year 7. Remember how many correct answers you got. In the end, if you got, just tell me. I will give the top 3 students still some gifts. Okay? Yeah.
Are we including the sun?
No.
I was only thinking about the sun.
Yeah.
Sorry, what was that?
So we're not including the sun in the.
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
just in ecosystem. So it says the energy flow in an ecosystem. So
Yeah. So we're not including the sun in this ecosystem.
yeah.
This is like the statement, the truth, including all the things. Like not, like despite of some, this is a,
Yeah.
yeah.
Yeah. Cool.
Okay. You want me to show the answer?
Yup. It's no. We got 4 people.
Yeah, that's what I asked. The sun. The sun.
So
We would have said no if it wasn't if we included the sun.
yeah, I forgot. So
That's okay, sorry.
if you have the sun, you are that side, right?
Yeah.
And Rex, you are that side too, right? Okay, good. So everyone gets a point. You can go back. Then and you can explain.
So we have learned the fold web and the fold chains before, and this one clearly it's a fold chain, sorry, starting from the sun and ending with bacteria because it's a straight line, it's not a cycle. So this one is a fold chain.
Yeah.
So like
so-
energy flows.
So as we said on the pyramid of energy, there are less and less energy goes through the whole food chain, and in the end there is just less energy and it goes nowhere. It's not like go back then become a circle, it's just a direct line. So
Because the
yeah.
energy need to release out, they need to like the heat out, they need to digest, they need to keep warm. That's why the energy lost in the process.
Okay, so the first 3 questions we kind of didn't get some of your opinion, but the last one, maybe you can tell us why if you choose one answer.
If producers are removed, all higher levels in the pyramid will be affected.
All higher levels.
Higher levels like
Up to the
higher
pyramid.
than producers. Okay, we got
There's
everyone
no higher
yes.
level in the pyramid,
Sorry?
right? Because producer is
At the bottom,
Ah.
Yeah. Is that in the
is the in the middle.
Ah. Yeah, good point. Good point.
If producers are removed. There's no higher level.
Is it the higher? Hang on, so the higher levels in the pyramid of numbers or pyramid of energy?
Like primary consumer, secondary consumer, follow that level.
This one.
Oh.
Yeah.
higher level? That means higher levels means consumer, then a decomposer, right?
Yeah. Yeah. Cool. Yeah. Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Does that mean only higher levels will be affected?
Yeah.
All
All
higher levels?
higher levels.
I
Like
think
only the higher levels will be affected.
It didn't say only, it says all higher levels.
I think it despite the like producer, except for producer, all the higher levels. should be
Imagine this is
affected.
upside down. So this is like, yeah, I think. So, yeah.
Okay, I have a question to Mocha. Can you tell us why you a little bit like undecided between you moved to that way and then you moved
because
back?
what I understood was all higher levels in the pyramid, like So if you look at the pyramid, above the producers, there's no higher level. So that's all. There's no. But then since you explained like maybe
Yeah.
the higher level is like in terms of primary consumers, secondary, so they are higher than the producer. So
Yeah.
that's science.
Yeah, that's right. So this
Yeah.
answer is obvious.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.